In this video, we will learn how to download and install the Mac driver for use with our PA4000WX printer. We must first print out a status page. At the printer, press on the menu hard key. Scroll to Report, press the OK hard key. Assure that Report Print is highlighted. Press OK. Scroll to Status Page, press OK. Press the hard key under Yes. The status page will print. On page 2 of the status page, we will find Network, and down the page, the IP address will be listed. Write down the IP address. We will need it later to set up this printer on the Mac computer. Go to the Mac and type in Kyocera.info. This will take us to the download center. Assure your country or region is checked. In this example, we are using USA. In the Refine the Product area, type in PA4000. Now click on the Kyocera PA4000WX. Select the operating system from the drop-down arrow. In this example, it will be Mac OS X 10.9 or later. Scroll down the page and find the Mac printer driver. Click on the blue download button. A license agreement will appear. Scroll to the bottom and click on the Agree to Contract and Download button. Once the file has downloaded, Kyocera OS X 10.9 plus file ending in .dmg will appear. Double-click on this file. 3 options will appear. The Kyocera OS X 10.9 plus web build package file, the Mac driver setup guide, and the uninstaller file. Double-click on the first option. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Click Continue one more time. To continue installing the software, we must click on Agree. If the installer appears, would like to access files on a removable volume, select Allow. If a message window appears asking to install for all users of this computer, select Continue. Next, click on Install. If a password is asked for, type it in. Select the Install Software button. The installation will begin. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient. When the install is completed, a green check mark will appear. Click on Close. If the installer would like to access files in your download folder appears, select Allow. We can keep the install file or move it to the trash. Close out the Kyocera OS X 10.9 plus web build window. Go to System Preferences and click on Printers and Scanners. The Printers and Scanners window will now appear. Select the Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax button. Select the IP icon located here. Type in the IP address from the status page we printed earlier. Assure that the protocol is Line Printer Daemon LPD. Under Name, we find the IP address we used. We could type in the name of the printer or leave it as is. In this example, we are leaving the name as the IP address. Under Use, select the drop-down arrow, press on Select Software. The printer software window will now appear. Find and highlight the Kyocera PA4000WX KPDL option. Select OK. Under Location, we can type in whatever we want. In this example, we are typing in David's desk. Click on Add. The software will begin setting up the device via the IP address. Select OK. We will find the printer name listed here. In this example, it is the name we left it as, which is the IP address. Click on the printer. We can see the name of the printer is the IP address. It is located at David's desk. The kind is listed as Kyocera PA4000WX KPDL. After everything is set up with all options, press the OK button. We can make this our default printer by clicking on the Set Default Printer button located here. When finished, select Done. We have now downloaded and installed the Mac driver for the new PA4000WX printer.